Well, good evening. Thank you so much for joining us here tonight on HSN. I'm your host, Dinah Perkovic, and this hour is all about Elle Magazine because they are presenting Spring Fashion Week 2008, and they're going to be joining us here tonight. We have the special editor from Elle Magazine. She's here with us tonight, Aaliyah. We also have Lloyd Boston. He's a style expert. He's going to be joining us tonight. There are key trends for every season. That's why Elle Magazine is here at the end of the hour to talk about Elle Magazine. And we're going to get things started tonight, of course, with our This Day Only. We have a very special guest with us. His name is Lloyd Boston. He is a style expert. In fact, he's written 3 books. I have one of them here in front of me. It's called Before You Put That On. It's a great book. Lloyd is here with us tonight. You just saw him perhaps last week on The Oprah Show. He is a contributor to NBC's Today Show, and he is with us tonight to help us interpret the styles for spring 2008. And Lloyd, welcome back.
Well, hello. It is colors of the season. I'm back. Good to see you.
Welcome back. Great to see you.
You know, it's good to be here, and I love this night because I'm a big fan of color. As you can see, I wore these pants purposefully.
You wear it well.
Well, because I do believe in colors of the season, but I also want ladies at home to know about signature colors. So if you don't see your colors up here, these are the tones of the season that can add a shot of humor and fun and sophistication to any outfit.
And Lloyd, if you can't wear it from head to toe,
don't wear it from head to toe. Please don't. I don't want to see you doing that.
Your shoes, your accessories, your handbags, an easy way for you to incorporate that trend, and that's where This Day Only comes in.
You're so right. Not your lipstick,
yes,
not your eyeshadow.